No mai haere mai. Climate reporting entities in New Zealand will soon have to prepare climate statements, which include disclosures about greenhouse gas emissions. Also known as GHG, these GHG disclosures are required to be assured. Greenhouse gas assurance is a developing field that is changing and evolving. The XRB standards have been tailored to this mandatory assurance engagement. The associated assurance report will include various key paragraphs to enhance the communicative value of the assurance report. There are 3 key terms used in the assurance report to communicate clearly to users. These paragraphs are key matters, emphasis of matter, and other matters. Here's a short explanation of how each of these paragraphs is used and when. Firstly, let's look at key matter paragraphs. The first question that the assurance practitioner asks is, were there significant matters addressed in the assurance engagement? If the answer is yes, then it could be a key matter. The assurance practitioner also asks, is this matter relevant to users' understanding? Does communicating this matter in the assurance report enhance the value of the report? If the answer is yes, then it is a key matter. A key matter requires a separate paragraph in the assurance report. In this, the assurance practitioner will need to explain why they considered it to be a key matter and what they have done to address the key matter. Secondly, let's look at an emphasis of matter paragraph. Here, the assurance practitioner asks, is the matter important to users' understanding of the GHG emissions disclosures? And is it appropriately disclosed in the climate statement? An emphasis of matter is a paragraph in the assurance report that refers to any GHG emissions disclosures that the assurance practitioner considers fundamental to users' understanding of the information. If it is not a key matter or an emphasis of matter, the matter may be included in another part of the assurance report. Uncertainty is a characteristic of all GHG disclosures, so an inherent uncertainty statement is required in all GHG assurance reports. Keep in mind that this is likely to be different for different reporting entities and also possibly for different years. Thirdly, let's look at other matter paragraphs. In this paragraph, the assurance practitioner describes matters, if there are any, that help users understand the assurance report, or the responsibilities of the assurance practitioner. The most common example of an other matter is to let users know when the prior period GHG disclosures were not subject to an assurance engagement, for example when the first year assurance is provided. So let's recap. If it's most significant, it's a key matter. If it's important and appropriately disclosed, it's an emphasis of matter. If it's relevant to understanding the assurance practitioner's responsibilities or the assurance report, it's an other matter. We hope you found this information useful. If you'd like to find out more about GHG assurance engagements, take a look at our website or get in touch with us. Mā te wā.